Good morning, guys. It's a fresh one this morning. Look at the view from outside our cabin. It's literally just snowy woodland. And the snow's crunchy. You know, like when you go skiing? Look. And it's just silent. So, we're going to Lapland Winter Park today, and we've got snowmobiling and ice karting booked. I think just for the kids, but Chad does like a bit of go-karting, so he's probably booked himself an ice karting as well, and I'm probably sitting with Polo. But yeah, it's kind of a bit daylighty. I don't know what time it is. It'll be about 9:30. So that's the day ahead. Show me a water bottle that you left in car overnight. Swivel it round so we can see how it's set.
Right.
It's iced up.
Hello.
I literally came in.
Oh, your cookies as well.
Do you want a slushy Pepsi?
That was mine. That was mine.
Iced passion and peach.
Right, we're on the way to Lapland Winter Park, which from what it looks like, it's a place where you can do all sorts. So you pay like a price to get into the ticket, I think, into the area. I think it's €69, and then they've got a sauna world in there, which I'm not going in today because we've got 3 children. There's like a lunch buffet that you can pay extra to get included. Oh, snow squirrel. Then you can do ice karting, which we're going to do. Looks like go-karting on ice. You can have a reindeer sleigh ride. There's mini snowmobiling, which kids are going to do. And then there's like e-bike safaris. There's frozen snowmobile trails. And you can have a private skidoo thing, which looks really good, but that's about €900 each. And obviously not that suitable for baby Polo. So I think there's also like stuff in there, like sledging and things like that. So quite excited for the day ahead. Weather, it is -18 today and cloudy. I'm hoping that it's warm enough. I've opted for, like, instead of my big fluffy jumper, I've got thermals on underneath.
In 300 metres.
But I've gone for this like thinner thing today because I don't like, you know, you've got loads of layers and like you can't bend your arms properly and you're all trussed up. I wanted a bit more like movement, but I could have made a grave mistake, so I'll let you know.
Nani.
We're gloving up with hand warmers.
We've got us hand warmers in, haven't we? Make sure we're nice and warm.
I see a rocket ship.
You see a rocket ship?
Over there.
Let's have a look.
What do you think is in?
Oh, there's a red light flashing. I think it might be a mast, maybe. We've made it to Lapland Winter Park. The drive up here is beautiful. You go through like, what, a mile of just like lined driveway with all the trees, loads of snow. It is absolutely stunning, but let me tell you, it's freezing today. -25. I've literally been out of the car probably 2 minutes. I'm going to have to put my gloves on because my hand feels like it's about to drop off. So, yes, very, 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 very cold. But the boys aren't bothered. They're playing ice fights in a minute. Look.
No, Wolverine. No.
Has it been Wolverine? This is where we check in.
So, with the area ticket you have an access to the whole park area. We are right now here on number 1, the reception. Right next to us is the restaurant where you can get the lunch from.
Yep.
The lunch is available from 11 until 3 o'clock today. We also have a couple of fireplaces that you can use throughout the day. We also have skiing, ice skating and snowshoeing, and the equipment for those can be found from number 23. We also have the longest sledding hill of Rovaniemi that you can use, and we also have our own reindeer that you can feed and meet. For the ice karting you will have to go to number 20, and for the mini snowmobiles you have to go to the safari house.
Perfect. That's exciting, thank you.
Yes.
And what we've got to put one of those on our arms, and that's to say that we're allowed in. And do you know what she said? There is the longest sledding slope in Rovaniemi here. What we have here? We've got a reindeer just walking up the hill. How beautiful are you?
Really looks like it's going to be a good day this, but it is so cold. Like, so cold.
Look at that. Whew. Yes. Snowmobiling. Kirby?
Absolutely fantastic.
We've literally just finished the snowmobile riding. I think, was that your best thing we've done so far?
Yes, probably.
It was €70 for both boys to go on there for about 30 minutes. What did you reckon to it, Herbie?
Probably the best thing that we've done. Probably.
Arnie, what do you think?
I loved it. I didn't like it.
You didn't like it? Well, that's not what you said before.
We were
Come on, let's go! I think we found the fun part here, look. We've got JCB, we've got a quad, and we've got piste bashers, 2 of them. I'd love to go on one of them. Do you only see when you're skiing? Always fancy to go. I bet they're a right laugh to drive. We're walking up to the cafe now. There's all sorts. Yeah, we're just having dinner now, and look what Herbie's gone and done.
In the middle. Black is bigger than the nice man's face.
So I've just come out to the cafe, and I would 100% recommend booking the buffet if you do come to this place, because it's really good. And we're walking through this literal Narnia when who should we meet?
Hey, look, there's some moss here to feed him.
Yes, sir. I like it when oh, mommy, look over there. Oh, the race home. Sorry.
So that one.
Hello, no boot.
But that reindeer's about 3, what, with them antlers. From my reindeer.
Oh, look, reindeer rancher here.
Look at mine.
Approximately 3-year-old because it's got one pointed thing coming out of its horns and they're not straight. Did we listen to her facts yesterday? She could be pregnant though if they're not dropping out.
Well, no, look, they've dropped out, so she's not pregnant.
Oh, so these aren't pregnant, these ones, according to the oracle. Look at that bugger there. Mister, you're not trying to climb in? No, get down. Get down. Get down. Mr. Rancher will come.
What is Mr. Rancher?
It's extremely cold.
Look here, there's that little fire pits that you can go in to get a warm. Oh, look here.
Who's knocking on my door? Hello there. Well, hello there. Guys, look at this. Mine has gone so dark, it's going to burn my lip like my mummy.
Mine have just burnt on fire just then. And my whole heart's gone flat. But it will crunchy.
Baby, mine's crunchy.
Got a bit greedy there around it all in my mouth a bit, like a flip on the metal stick. So I reckon that's going to be a nice ulcer.
So we've walked a little bit down the track from the cafe. We found reindeers, and then we found this little hut, and you can buy marshmallows in the cafe. I mean, actually, we could have brought some from home, but I'd never even thought of it. Not from home, from the lodge. So we bought some marshmallows. I think they were €3. And then there's all the toasting stuff in these little huts, so you can toast them with the kids. So it's a little free activity, I guess.
Too much.
Wow, look at them. They look crunchy.
All I've done is just put them in for like 2 seconds, let them burn, and then blow them out.
Oh no, I'm just going to all
Oh, wow.
this stew.
Got coal for Christmas.
Guys, look at my marshmallow. I've got coal. A fire coal.
I love the marshmallow toasting hut. I think we should put one on the farm.
Yoink!
Diggy.
Yay!
Oh no, I missed you then.
The snow's dead.
Going. Let's go.
Oh look, they're all little chalets that you can stay in. Oh, I bet they're mega them. Absolutely going to look at those. Look at them. Oh, it's cold on my hands.
Get in.
Ready? I'm slowing down. Oh, no. So we're here now at ice karting. I'm going to have a go at this with...
Daddy needs a wee Roger.
Daddy doesn't need a wee wee. You little monsters. So we're going ice karting now. So this should be exciting.
Woo! Well done, Herbie! Woo!
So we just finished ice karting. Do you want to hear what the boys think to it?
Sadly, me and my brothers, the guy that's above us, told him and my daddy, and we were off over taking him, boy.
Well, one thing I have to say is when we got to go karting, I didn't read the small print on the website, and you had to be above 150 centimetres tall. It's not an age thing, it's a height, because you can't actually reach the pedals. And the two guys there, Mika and Jesse, were absolutely incredible. Obviously the boys were upset, and they went and took them out. Mika went out round the track with them and absolutely made the kids' day. We were so grateful, and you know, there were none of this like, oh, you can't do it, that's it. Well, come on, we'll try and make it work. They put padding in for Herbie to ride it and everything, so absolute thumbs up to those two guys. It has been such a fun day here today.
Hello guys, look at me. Ready? Guys, watch me do this. Yippee!
Oh, so we are just about to go back to the car after an amazing day at
Lapland Winter Park.
So boys, what have you thought about it?
Amazing, best place that we've probably been. I see the northern lights.
Best place that we've probably been to. I have to say it's probably been the highlight of the trip so far.